On the pilgrim's journey, it's not just about reaching a destination, it's about discovering oneself along the way. To a true pilgrim carries faith in their heart and gratitude in their steps. 3. Pilgrimage is a sacred dance between the outer and inner landscapes of the soul. For the path of a pilgrim is paved with humility, resilience, and devotion. 5. In pilgrimage, we leave behind the familiar to seek the extraordinary. 6. Every step taken on a pilgrim's path is a step closer to divine grace. 7. Pilgrimage is a testament to our yearning for spiritual growth and transformation. 8. The sacred sites of pilgrimage are like open arms, ready to embrace the pilgrim's soul. 9. The journey of a pilgrim is not measured miles, but in moments of awakening. 10. Pilgrimage teaches us to let go of what weighs us down and embrace what uplifts our spirit. 11. A pilgrim's heart knows no boundaries. It seeks solace in the embrace of all sacred places. 12. Walking in the footsteps of pilgrims who came before us, we become part of a timeless tapestry. 13. Pilgrimage is an act of surrender, where we place our trust in the divine and let go of control. 14. The pilgrim's path is not always easy, but the challenges encountered along the way strengthen the spirit. 15. Each pilgrim's journey is unique, woven with their own stories and prayers. 16. Pilgrimage is a sacred conversation with the soul, a dialogue that transcends words. 17. The pilgrim seeks not only answers, but also the questions that lead to deeper understanding. 18. In pilgrimage, we leave behind the masks we wear and step into our authentic selves. 19. Pilgrimage is an invitation to discover the interconnectedness of all beings and embrace unity. 20. The pilgrimage is not just a physical quest, but an inner pilgrimage of the heart and spirit. 21. Pilgrimage is a dance between the pilgrim and the sacred, a rhythm of devotion and grace. 22. A pilgrim's journey is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and its capacity for transformation. 23. The pilgrimage is not about reaching a destination. It's about unraveling the mysteries within. 24 Pilgrimage is a mirror that reflects our true essence and reveals the divine spark within us. 25 Each step on the pilgrim's path is an act of reverence, a prayer in motion. 26 Pilgrimage teaches us that the true treasure lies not in the destination, but in the journey itself. 27 A pilgrim carries the hopes and dreams of generations past, walking in their footsteps with gratitude. 28 Pilgrimage is a sacred pause in the hurried rhythm of life, a moment to reconnect with the divine. 29 In pilgrimage, we shed the layers of the world to reveal the light within. 30 The pilgrim's path is a pilgrimage of the senses, where sights, sounds, and scents become sacred. 31 Pilgrimage is a pilgrimage of the heart, a journey from darkness to light. 30 To a pilgrim's journey is a pilgrimage of the soul, a return to the source of our being. 33 Pilgrimage is a sacred quest for truth, a search for meaning that transcends the mundane. 30 For the pilgrim walks not to escape reality, but to embrace it fully and find the divine within.